Hi everyone, welcome to It's Time to Learn Everything. How to write an application letter for teaching job. December 26th, 2021. A sample job application letter for a teaching job is a letter by an applicant to a hiring officer. We will discuss here how to write a perfect letter for applying for a teaching job vacancy. As you know, an advertisement for a teaching job has appeared. You may be interested in applying for that job. You need to send your CV with an application letter to the hiring institute. Writing an excellent job application letter is the best way to impress the hiring manager and convince him that you are the perfect candidate for the job he is looking for. It is a formal letter, so you will need to follow a specific format. 2. The Principal. Jawaharlal Public School, New Delhi. Subject: application letter for applying for a teaching job in school. Respected Sir, I am writing this application for recruitment for a teaching job by showing you job ads in the newspaper. I am eligible on all the terms and conditions demanded in the advertisement. I have obtained a master's degree in biology subject from a university, name of Writers University, with Grace. I also have years of experience teaching this subject at name of school. I assure you you will find me a hard worker and a quality teacher, as I have the best knowledge of subject name to teach students with advanced teaching methods. I will do my best to meet your expectations. I have attached this letter. Kindly have a deep look at it. I hope my application will be accepted. I look forward to your response via phone or email. Thank you very much. Yours sincerely, Ayush Shri. Any kind of comments and suggestion, please write down in comment box. If you like our videos, please like, share, subscribe. Thank you.